If your indoor plants look fine one week and completely miserable the next, then this video is for you. A lot of the time, it comes down to light or the lack of it. Not every home gets great sunlight, and not every window does the job we think it does. So in this video, I'm talking about 8 grow lights that actually work for indoor plants. We'll have a look at which types of lights help plants grow indoors, what they're best used for, and how to choose one that fits your space without making it complicated. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these grow lights aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the LBWLED grow light. This is the most budget-friendly grow light on our list. If you're trying to keep plants happy indoors without spending a lot, this one makes a lot of sense right away. The first thing I like about this is that it's flexible. It comes with a tripod stand that adjusts from about 15 inches up to 48 inches. You can place it on the floor, raise it for taller plants, and bend the gooseneck to point the light exactly where the plant needs it. That's helpful if your plants aren't all the same height. And the light itself is full spectrum, covering roughly 390 to 730 nanometers. That means it gives off white, red, and blue light, so plants get what they need at every stage, from seedlings to flowering. Plus, it's designed to act like natural sunlight, which helps plants grow steadily instead of stretching or leaning. And here's what Sarah says: "I love this lamp. I have a few of them. Each grouping of plants in my home has one of these. I can set them and forget them. They come on when they should, go off when they should, give light to my plants, help my thumbs look greener in my dark home, can't complain. Do not regret this purchase." So if you want a simple grow light that does the job without costing much, the LBW LED grow light is an easy pick. Number 7 is the AeroGarden Trio Grow Light. This is best for houseplants on our list. This trio stands out because of its 3-arm design. Each arm has its own light, so you can spread light across multiple plants at once instead of crowding them together. It feels like lighting a small plant area, not just a single pot. Each arm uses a 5-watt LED for a total of 15 watts, which is plenty for everyday houseplants. And the light is full spectrum, so it acts like natural sunlight. This helps plants stay healthy year-round, even during darker months. Plus, it's adjustable too. You can raise or lower it to fit plants up to about 12 inches tall, which works well for most indoor plants. Now, the nicest part is the smart control. You can use the AeroGarden app to set schedules, dim the light, pick from 4 light modes, or even use sunrise and sunset settings. And once it's set, you don't really have to think about it again. And here's what Adria wrote: "This light works great for my little collection of small plants." You can download the app and do a lot more with the online features regarding the timer and intensity of the lights. The light it puts out is pleasant. My plants are doing well under the light, the heat is fine. So if your main goal is keeping houseplants healthy anywhere in your home, the AeroGarden Trio Grow Light fits that role really well. Number 6 is the Leoter Grow Light for indoor plants. These grow lights have the best adjustable spectrum on our list. If you like having control over how your plants get light, this one really stands out. This grow light gives you many lighting options. It uses 80 LED bulbs and gives you full spectrum light, plus red and blue modes. It also has 10 brightness levels. That means you can keep things soft for smaller plants or turn it up when plants need more light. I like that you can adjust it little by little until it feels right. And the timer is another big help. You can set it for 3, 9, or 12 hours, and it turns on and off at the same time every day. That's great if you forget, or if you're not home much. Once it's set, it runs on its own. And the gooseneck design makes positioning easy too. You can bend the lights closer, spread them out, or aim them at odd angles. It also has 3 switch modes, so you can run 1 light, 2 lights, or all of them together. So if you want a grow light that lets you fine-tune spectrum and brightness without spending much, the Leoter Grow Light is a solid choice. Number 5 is the Sansi 24-watt grow light bulb. This is the best light bulb grow light on our list. It is rated at 300 watts equivalent and made to push light farther and wider than most basic bulbs. The light itself is a clean 4000 Kelvin daylight tone which looks like real sunlight, not purple or pink, and it blends into a room without feeling harsh. Now it covers the full spectrum from seed to harvest, so it works for seedlings, leafy greens, herbs, and flowering plants without having to switch lights. Now, a big reason it performs so well is the optical lens design. It focuses the light instead of letting it scatter everywhere. It means more usable light actually reaches your plants. At 1 foot, the PPFD is strong enough to support healthy growth without crowding plants too close. Plus, the heat is controlled. The bulb uses a ceramic body with Sansi's chip-on-ceramic tech, so heat moves away fast. That keeps the bulb cooler, protects plants from burns, and helps it last up to 25,000 hours. It's also built with safety in mind and backed by a long warranty. So if you want the strongest, most efficient grow light you can get in a simple bulb form, the Sansi 24-watt grow light bulb is hard to beat. And if you want to know the latest prices for the grow lights discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Soltech Solutions Aspect Grow Light. This is the best grow light lamp on our list. The light itself is warm white and very natural. It doesn't give off that harsh blue or purple glow. Colors in the room still look normal and plants look healthy, not washed out. It also has very high color accuracy, so everything under it feels calm and balanced. And you're also going to have a built-in dimmer knob on the cord. You can turn the brightness up for sun-loving plants or lower it for plants that prefer softer light. Once you dial it in, you can put it on a timer and forget about it. It uses about 36 watts, is rated to last over 10 years with daily use, and comes with a long warranty. Installation is simple, and the box includes mounting hardware and a timer. So if you want a grow light that works like a lamp and still keeps plants thriving, the Soltech Solutions Aspect Grow Light fits that role perfectly. Number 3 is the iGrowTech Grow Light. This is the best grow light for seedlings on our list. If you've ever started growing seeds indoors, you know that the first few weeks can be very tricky. This light is made exactly for that stage. It uses a natural white full-spectrum LED. That means it looks like normal daylight, not harsh or colorful, and it's easy on your eyes. At the same time, it gives seedlings the light they need to grow straight and strong instead of stretching and getting weak. The setup is simple and sturdy. It comes with an iron frame that feels solid once it's put together. Coverage is also strong. Its T5 style LED bar has a wide reflector, so light spreads evenly across the whole area. That helps all your seedlings grow at a similar pace, instead of some thriving while others struggle. It also includes a timer outlet, which makes life easier. You plug it in, set the hours, and it turns on and off by itself every day. And the power use stays low too. These LEDs are designed to be energy efficient and can save a lot on electricity compared to older grow lights. So if your main goal is healthy, strong seedlings without complicated gear, the iGrowTech Grow Light is a smart pick. Number 2 is the GE-LED Grow Light Bulb. This is the best value grow light on our list. The light itself is balanced and natural looking. There's no purple or red glow filling the room. It looks like normal indoor lighting, so you can use it in a kitchen, bedroom, or even a bathroom without it feeling out of place. And that balanced spectrum works for seeds, leafy greens, herbs, and even flowering plants from start to finish. GE rates it for up to 25,000 hours, so you're not replacing it anytime soon. The output is 16 ppf, which is enough to keep seedlings strong and upright instead of stretching and falling over. It's also flexible. You can use it in lamps, wall fixtures, or overhead sockets. It works well for small indoor gardens and seed starting setups, especially when natural light isn't enough. So if you want a grow light that's easy, reliable, and easy on your wallet, the GE-LED Grow Light Bulb is a solid choice. Number 1 is the Mars Hydro TS 1000 Grow Light. These are the best overall grow lights on our list. From seeds to full bloom, this thing can handle every stage without needing upgrades later. As for the light spread, Mars Hydro uses a special reflector and a smart diode layout that pushes light evenly across the grow area. That means plants in the middle and on the edges get similar light, not the ones directly underneath. It's ideal for a 2x2 setup and can stretch close to a 3x3 if needed. It pulls only 150 watts, but it's designed to replace older 250 watt lights, so you get strong output without the heat or power drain. The full spectrum looks like natural white light, not a harsh purple glow, and it supports plants from seedling to flowering. There's also a dimmer knob, which is huge. You can turn it down for young plants or crank it up later. And if you're running more than one light, you can daisy chain them together for bigger setups. Plus, it runs silent since there's no fan, and the aluminum body helps heat escape fast. So if you want one grow light that does everything well without overthinking it, the Mars Hydro TS1000 is the easy overall pick. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect grow light. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each grow light. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.